Hello and welcome to Mountain Patriot Homestead. Today we are going out as Mountain Patriot Services. We have the skid steer and equipment hooked up on back, and we are going out to do some storm cleanup. A couple of weeks ago there was some storms, tornadoes that passed through this area just north of where our place is, and they had asked for folks to go out and help with the cleanup, and we're taking some time today just to go out and just do some volunteering and helping some distant neighbors. On May 26th, an EF3 tornado ripped through Boone County and traveled 21 miles, finally stopping in Marion County, but not before it had done some tremendous damage and even caused injuries and deaths. Since that time, the communities have pulled together to assist each other in cleaning up after this tremendous storm that passed through. And today we were fortunate enough to have the time to be able to go out and help. These pictures show almost nothing of the devastation that's present out in that area, but we wanted to be mindful of people's privacy and not show locations and homes where people are still trying to recover from these storms. We were fortunate enough to be able to assist a 77-year-old who was overwhelmed by the amount of tree debris that was in his yard. Today we were fed by one of the local churches, and throughout all of this recovery, churches and community businesses have been extraordinary in taking care of volunteers as well as survivors from the storm. All of the debris that was being moved from various piles throughout this yard is being restacked out near the county road, because the county is actually going to come around and pick up and haul off the debris. So we just had to get it out to the road for him so it can be picked up and taken away. Thank you to all of those that made it possible for everyone to go out and assist these neighbors, unknown neighbors that are now friends, and we're very grateful we were able to go out there today. So, thank you to each of you that put this together, and we hope you are blessed for it.